Hi friends, Namaste. I hope you're keeping well and making the best out of the situation which we are all in this together. In this video I'd like to show you a little very simple restorative position to restore the health of the lungs and respiratory tract, and also for hunched back, for bad postures. It's also very helpful, and it's helpful for people who have diabetes, hypertension, or asthma, for example. It simply works when you lie down and stay there for at least 10 minutes and take deeper breaths in and out for at least 10 minutes. And yeah, it's very simple. This is how it works. We need T-shaped bolster like this. Vertical, horizontal, a blanket for the head. You lie down, the legs are not important. You can keep them straight, or you can join the sole to the feet and keep the hips closer to the bolster and lie down with your ribs closing in and the head by the side, arms by the side. Here you want to be able to take a deeper breath in and out. Each time you breathe in, you feel the expansion of the lungs in all four directions. You want to be able to feel the intercostal muscles which are joining the ribs. They're opening. You want to feel the space that's being created using the breath. You want to increase the capacity of your lungs, which is normally 30% to 50 to 60%. And using the help of that, we increase the circulation of the blood in the heart, and also helps to strengthen the lungs in this sense, and also eventually helps to strengthen the immunity. In this position, first is just to simply keep it like this at least 10 minutes. Second position is to lie down on the sides. Use a blanket, use a bolster on the side, keep this bottom leg bent, top leg straight, the bottom arm straight, and a blanket on top to support the head, and then to stretch the top arm. And then here again, you want to be able to take deeper breaths in and out on the sides of the lungs, again staying in and out for at least 5 minutes. So I hope you can take this time to practice this pose and see how it feels for you. Just as an experiment, you might as well when you have all the time. And let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you can enjoy this position. Thank you.